Hello everyone, it's Nikki. Today, tonight, Christmas Eve, church was canceled. But because of this big blizzard that we are having, I am about to take you straight to the storm. This is the storm. If you can't see me, I'm sorry, but it's a real blizzard. My camera is getting completely swamped with snow. And as you can see, I'm bundled in layers. I have no idea what the degrees is. All I know so far is that it snows 4 inches, and I've almost lost my voice. Nice thing is I can warm up with my new Snuggie that I got for Christmas. So have a Merry Christmas, and I'll be reporting later with more info. Thank you, and good night.